guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to day 7 of my 25 days of Christmas. So for those of you tuning in for the first time to my channel, I am doing a video a day for the first 25 days all the way up through Christmas. So that is what we're doing today. I've been doing favorites, things like that the past week to get you guys ready for your Christmas shopping, and then this week I'm going in, or today I'm going in with a holiday makeup look. This is gonna be, you know, it's not fully drugstore, not fully whatever, it's just I'm going in today. I'm really excited, so let's just dive right into it. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be going into a few palettes. I really want to play with the Marc Edgitorial palette. This one's really pretty. I kind of want to go with these vibes for Christmas today. I am going to do a more classic one another day, but this one I really want to do like an edgy sort of like Christmas makeup look. So I'm going to be playing around with that, mixing in some of the Warrior palette, maybe some Kylie Cosmetics. I'm just kind of going in. So I do need to start off by priming my eyes, which I'll be going in with the Anastasia Eye Primer as per usual. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on to my eyes and blend it out with a sponge. Going in first with the Warrior palette by Juvias Place. I'll be diving right into the shade Aosi. Oh, I'm probably butchering that. I'm so sorry about that. But I don't know how to pronounce that. And I'm just going to place this all over my lid. This is just going to be our base shade. This is going to be the similar color to the transition shade, or to the eyeshadow primer. So you're not really going to see it. This is really just to set that. Alright, so I have that placed in here. So then I'm going to go right over into the shade Kano, right here. And I'm going to work this into my crease as well. Okay, so I'm going to be going right into the shade Enviously right here. And I'm going to place this on my outer, get all the excess off. My outer half. Going to start building up. I'm not going to go all the way to my inner corner, but I'm definitely going to flick this inwards, raise my eyebrows, and trace right here. And I'm going to start to build up that pigment after I've placed everything and I know where it's going to go. Now wipe off the excess product, and then that's when I go in and blend on this side. We're going into the shade We'll See to help further transition the crease and to combine the dark green with the original like blending brown. Pick up some of this on a stiffer brush, and I'm not going to go above where I placed the green. I'm going to kind of like mush it in with the green, and then when there's not too much product, bring it kind of further inwards. I'm really tracing right there, right where like the green went up to. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shade Pleather Python. It's a really pretty gold in here. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the shade Next Season right here on the very inner part of my eye. Just to really brighten that up. I'm gonna go into the Kylie Cosmetics and grab this shade Rose. It's a really good light neutral brown. I just need something like that up here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the Smashbox Primer Oil to start off my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some winged liner. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, now that the primer oil has set into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a pore filling primer. I'm gonna be taking the No POREblem primer, if I can get a nail. Untwist this to get the primer out. So for foundation, what is new? I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. I am in the shade 2.3. And I'm going to be pushing this into my skin with the Beauty Blender. And then for concealer, I'll be taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This has quickly become one of my favorites to use. I love it. And it's like so cheap, you guys, like for real. Let the under eye sit for a little bit before I blend it in. And I'm going to be taking the Kim K contour. I'm adding in the more bronzy side too, to do the whole blending process. Yeah, the bronzy one, I don't mind taking a little bit. I'm gonna grab this Sigma brush. You guys, this thing is great for detailed work, and I'm gonna blend out my nose contour with it. This is an amazing brush, you guys, that it's like one of those brushes you wouldn't like really just like think to go buy, but it's incredible. All right, now I'm gonna blend out this. I know it looks like incredibly bright right now. When I put on like setting powder and everything like that, it's going to soften that a little bit. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. You guys, this stuff is incredible. And I'm just going to pick some up and do a light set. I get some more of this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the Hoola Caramel Bronzer right here, just to lightly bronze up the skin. Coat my brush. This is the Morphe M405. So for blush, I'll be taking the Sigma Blush Cheek Palette. You have so many options in here. I love just mixing a lot of them together to get just a really pretty blush shade. I'm mixing Pinkin and Quarter Rosa right here. Super pretty colors. Maybe a little bit of Tiger Lily. Ugh, just stunning. And then this is where I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I will be taking the, I've really been liking the Kylie Cosmetics Face Palette, the 2 shades right here. I've really been enjoying those a lot, so I'm going to be taking this again. I'm starting out with the Cheers Darling. Cheers Darling. Put it right here on the apples of my cheeks. A little bit on the tip of my nose, and then bring it up and like cup the eye with the highlighter. And now I'm going in to the shade Iced Me Out and just hit it on the very top of my cheekbone. Get that glow going on. Fill it on my chin. I'm going to be taking the bronzer in the shade Toasty that is in this palette. This is what I'm going to use to contour my nose with, you know, I guess bronze up my nose. I'm using that same brush I used to blend out the cream. I just wiped it off. And then while that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows really quickly. I'm going to just be using the Aqua Brow and then from Makeup Forever, and then the Makeup Forever brow gel. Okay, so for the under eye area, we're gonna be going right into the shade Minnow, which is this really rich dark chocolate brown. It's very neutral, so it's not gonna be super warm or anything, because you know I try and leave most of the incredibly warm tones for the fall time. I like to keep more neutral to cool toned during the Christmas season and align my eyes. I do want to pop on some eyeliner, I think, in my waterline. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna take the chocolate brown one. This is in the shade Proper from Unique. And then I'm gonna go over into shade Kano. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And I'm just going to smoke out this brown. Go back into the Marc Jacobs palette and pick up the shade Next Season again. And I'm gonna place this on my inner tear duct. To really brighten. And I'm gonna bring it slightly onto my lower lash line. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. And then we are going to go ahead and do the lips. Wait, before that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the Smashbox Primer Oil. This has seriously been like my favorite trick. Thank you, Jaclyn Hill. I know how people feel about her, but she does have some good makeup tricks. You gotta hand it to her. And then I'm just gonna tap in this area. I get kind of dry looking right there, and like right around my mouth is where I get the most dry looking after I have like makeup done. I'm just gonna pop some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna be taking the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Iced Latte. Okay, so for lipstick, I'll be taking the NARS matte lipstick in Pigalle. And then I'm just going to highlight the very center with the Kylie Jenner Velvet Matte in the shade Bear. Alright guys, so that is it for this Christmas holiday makeup look. Today I really want to play more into the greens and golds because I'm still transitioning away from the fall time. It takes me a long time to kind of like get out of it because I love it so much. So I did want to keep it more neutral and greens and golds instead of like warm browns and olive greens. I kept it more kind of like this to transition into the holiday. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have all the products listed for you guys in the description box. Then tomorrow I will be back with a drugstore holiday makeup look. So today was like kind of all over the place. Tomorrow's gonna be the strictly drugstore. So there's a little bit for everybody. So let me know guys what you guys think. Make sure you stay tuned for day 8. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you do. But yeah, if you guys have any requests for the 25 days of Christmas, go ahead and put in the comments. You have a lot of stuff, but I do also want to post what you guys want to see. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. But on that, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 8. Mwah! Bye.